Have you ever wondered how those tap-and-go payments actually work? We're diving into the technology behind contactless credit cards and near-field communication, or NFC. Contactless payments have become the norm, offering a fast and convenient way to complete transactions without swiping or dipping your card. At the core of this technology is near-field communication, or NFC, which allows two electronic devices to communicate when they are within a very short distance of each other. The main benefit is convenience and speed. By simply tapping your card or device against a reader, your payment is processed in seconds, making checkout lines much faster. But what's actually inside your contactless card that makes this possible? Let's take a look at the key components. Every contactless card contains a tiny NFC chip and a small antenna, typically hidden within the plastic of the card itself. When you hold the card near a reader, the reader emits a radio frequency field. The card's antenna captures energy from this field, which is called electromagnetic induction, to power the NFC chip. Now let's walk through the actual moment you tap to pay and what happens between the card and the reader. The process starts when the card reader at the point of sale is ready and emits that radio frequency field we just talked about, essentially waiting for a contactless device. Once the card is close enough, its antenna draws power from the reader's field, activating the NFC chip inside, readying it to communicate. The activated chip then sends encrypted payment data to the reader. The entire exchange of information is quick and happens wirelessly within that tiny range. One common concern is security. Rest assured, contactless payments are designed with multiple layers of protection. Payment data is encrypted, and for added security, many systems use tokenization. This means a unique, disposable code is used for each transaction instead of your actual card details. Since NFC is near-field communication, the limited range, just a few centimeters, means a criminal would need to be extremely close to your card to even attempt to read the data, making remote theft highly unlikely. Contactless payment is quickly becoming the standard, combining convenience with robust security. Thanks to NFC technology, your transactions are not only faster but also protected by encryption and unique codes, offering peace of mind every time you tap to pay. As technology advances, expect even more integration of NFC into various devices and services, continuing to streamline how we pay in the future.